Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be trying out these new high-end products from Sephora. These are actually a new release products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer D Blush Stick. Are these products actually worth getting? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Just wanted to join me if you're looking for a new cream face products from Anastasia Beverly Hills and find out to see if this product's actually worth getting or not. In that way, you'll be able to save some money. Please keep on watching. Okay, so looking at the Sephora website, they actually do come in 4 shades. So the one I picked up is the golden tan, and this actually retail for $54 Australian dollars. So what they claiming, it is a weightless cream bronzer for a sun-kissed color, into a matte second skin seamless finish. Plus the buildable formula means that you can easily take it from soft to bold definition while creating contour and definition with this versatile all-in-one product. Doesn't streak, patch, oxidize or smudge the complexion. Is a it's a very lightweight, a matte packaging made from really good quality plastic container, additional plastic lid. So I'm assuming it's actually to protect the bronzer itself. It has 30 grams. So looking at the swatches on the back of my hand now, it actually feels very lightweight and very soft. Actually apply this to my skin. It actually blends really well, and it's so pigmented. It's actually easy to glide on the skin. I mean, with my foundation, I've already had the foundation on and I've set it up with a powder, and I'm really surprised that this bronzer actually didn't make any patches on my face. Very soft and matte finish. See, now I actually did apply one side with a bronzer and the other side I haven't. It's very creamy formula. It actually helps to define more of your cheekbones, so you can actually use this as a contour as well. So when I actually felt it on my skin, I feel like I actually don't wear anything. Looking at the second product now, which is the stick blush. So this is a stick blush. This is actually come in 8 grams. It come in 5 shades here in Australia. It's 5 shades available, and what I picked up is the shade Peachy Keen, and this actually retail for $49. This is an ultra lightweight cream blush that melts into the skin and creates a radiant, natural looking color with a seamless finish. Got a dual end, so one side being the blush product itself, and on the other hand it's just like this little brush. Of my hand, it actually feels very light, very soft, and very it's like more like a velvety finish. I'm actually applying that on one side of my face now. So as you can see, when I've actually applied the blush, that definitely blends really well with the cream bronzer. So use your finger if you prefer to use your finger. Blend too much, but even like a couple of tap on the brush, you're actually good to go. Actually looks very healthy on the skin when I've actually applied these products. In my opinion, guys, I am actually very happy with these products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Both of these actually blends very easily. It doesn't cause any streakiness. Products are also buildable. So it's definitely a thumbs up for me, guys. So if you guys haven't actually tried these products yet, I highly recommend it for you guys to check them out. They're definitely worth getting. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.